Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off notifications from chosen apps on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to tap on Notifications and scroll down. Click on More over here and select an app. I will go with Gmail, so when I click on the switcher next to it, all notifications from Gmail will be turned off. If you want to turn them back on, just click on the same switcher, but you can also tap on an app and manage notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!